This, I'll figure it out one day.
Yeah, one day.
One day we will get it right. Hi, everybody. Welcome to the Big Promo Cast. You still got a camera, right? Oh, I can see you.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Yeah, that camera shut off about 5 minutes ago before we went on. So pay attention. Anyway, how's everybody doing? And our mics are out of sync. Mine is. Yours is right.
Oh.
But I can't change. That's what I'm making notes on what I need to fix. Mic sync. Anyway, we're back after a 3-week hiatus, and I've got a few things to talk about. One is Employee Appreciation Day, and that's coming up March 5th. And then also when you do a real cool promotion and then a vocal minority shuts you down. I hate that. So go ahead.
I'm going to be talking about some branded sauces and socks for the homeless. And I'm also going to be talking about KFC and how they're at it again.
I love KFC. That's fantastic. I hope it's better than Crocs. Anyway, let's go to this one. Oh, man, that's the wrong one. It's this one. It's number 2. No, it's number 3.
Welcome to the Big Promo Cast with Amber and Rich. In this podcast, Amber and Rich discuss the world of marketing, branding, and promotional products. Now, here's Amber and Rich.
Hey.
Hey.
Boy, this is a blast. I love this. How do you like this setup? This new setup is kind of cool, right?
I like it. Yeah.
This little pole thing is kind of sweet. I need to set up my third camera so we can get a behind the scenes look, but I hadn't got that far yet. So anyway, this is fun. This Ecamm's a chore, man. I see other people doing stuff where they play videos and you hear sound and everything's fine. And I just can't, all these gazintas and stuff, I just can't get it. So
Yeah.
I just hadn't got it yet. Maybe that's it.
Fair enough.
I figure after 12 or 14 weeks, I'd figure it out. But anyway. Hi, everybody. This is the Big Promo Cast. If you're watching a replay, thanks so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell to get notified when we post something new. And what else? Oh, and please give us a like. It really helps the channel. I had to get those in.
Yes.
And how are you?
I'm doing pretty good.
Cool.
Yeah. I don't remember if I've talked about my book on the podcast or not.
Your 2 previous books. I don't think you did.
Yes. So I'm working on a new book.
You have talked about it because you talked about doing a book of short stories.
Okay. That's right. And it has been changed because I started on this short story that ended up becoming a very long story. And now I'm at like 25,000 words.
Do people have books of long stories? I don't think
It's
they
called
do.
a novel.
Anyway, that's cool.
Yeah. Actually, I'm at novella length right now.
Okay.
Because a novel is supposed to be 40,000 words or more.
You know, I think we did talk about this because I remember I mentioned I read a collection of short stories by Dan Jenkins. Is that his name? He wrote Last Picture Show and Lonesome Dove. Mm-hmm. He also wrote Brokeback Mountain. But yes. Brokeback Mountain is a short story.
Yes. We talked about that at our lunch.
Oh, maybe
at our
that's
Christmas
it. Maybe
lunch.
that's
yeah.
it. Okay. Yeah. It all runs together. But yeah. But that's cool. They made a whole movie out of a short story. So
yeah, it's true.
But anyway, so when do you expect to have your novel completed? Or is it ever really completed?
No, it'll be completed eventually.
Well, like most art, you never really finished with it.
Yeah.
So, because there's always more you can do to it.
Yeah. And the sweet spot is making sure you know when to stop.
Yeah.
Because you can always add more, but when you're adding too much, then it takes away from the storyline, and
yep.
you don't want to do that.
I get it.
So
I'm just checking something out. Okay, cool.
It should be, I'm hoping to have it completed by the end of this year.
Wow. Okay,
but that's
cool.
just hoping that nobody gets your hopes up right now.
And you're going for a real publishing thing. You don't want to do a
Yes.
self-published Amazon thing like you did before.
Yes.
Okay. Well, you can always do that. I mean,
yeah.
Yeah. Self-publishing is kind of the way to go. It's like us having our own little TV studio.
Yeah, that's true.
Same kind of thing.
And luckily, I'm good at marketing, so I can market my own book.
No kidding. That's awesome. You don't have to pay somebody to do that. That's fantastic. Looks like we have one viewer, but I don't think we do, unless it's Lisa. Might be. And we don't get comments on Facebook for some reason. So, which is, I haven't figured that part out either. But, so if she's commenting, I don't know I don't know. Maybe she has to click some kind of link for us to see her comment. I'm not sure. Again, that's something else I got to figure out. Facebook comments. I'm sorry, I'm making notes. We didn't go anywhere for Christmas. You didn't go anywhere either, right?
Correct.
Yeah, New Year's, anything like that?
Nope.
Yeah, we didn't do anything either. So, ho-hum. Boring. Well, let's get into it. You want to go?
Yeah, sure.
All right.
So The Killers is a great band.
Yeah.
I love The Killers.
Okay. Not the Killer Bees.
No.
Okay, the Killers.
The Killers. And they have started doing branded hot sauces.
Oh, cool.
There are 4 different flavors.
Oh, I love that packaging.
And I really like the handwritten look on there.
Yeah. That's awesome.
And the names are like song names or band names or album names. I'm sorry.
Oh, their albums.
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome.
So they've only done, I think it's 25,000. Oh, I'm sorry, 2,500 cases of these.
Oh, okay.
And they're selling them for $59.50 a case.
12?
I'm not sure. I couldn't find.
Probably.
Yeah, probably.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Is it hot sauce or barbecue sauce?
It's hot sauce.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah.
I'm a hot sauce guy. Do you like that?
Depends on the hot sauce.
Turn up the heat.
Some of it is really good, but I'm not a huge heat person.
To habanero, you can have it. I don't understand how people have that stuff. It's crazy. There's a pretty cool YouTube channel called Hot Wings. No, they get celebrities and they interview celebrities as they're eating wings, and there's 10 different levels of hot. So it starts with I forget the name of it. Yeah, I'll put it in the show notes, but it's really fun. And as they're interviewing them, they get to like number 5, and some people bail, and some people go all the way to the end, and there's water and milk and all kinds of stuff to get them through it. But when they get to that last one, that devil one, it's brutal. It's pretty fun. Okay, I don't have anything to add to that.
Well, I think that there's a lot of celebrities here lately that have been using branded merch for advertising. Yeah? Like Paul McCartney is doing hats and T-shirts and face masks for his new album called McCartney 3.
Huh. Is he doing it like as a nonprofit thing? Because he sure doesn't need the money.
No, not to my knowledge. I think it's just him.
Branding.
Yeah. But have you ever seen the show Friends?
No.
Okay.
What are you talking about? Of course I've seen Friends. I saw that shit when it was new.
So Matthew Perry, who plays Chandler Bing on Friends, has set up a merch store online that, for those who don't know, Chandler Bing's, like, one of his catchphrases is, "Could you be any more?" and then fill in the blank here.
Oh, okay.
So this is called, "Could this be more any..." Now I'm going to mess it up. Could this be any more of a Matthew Perry merch store?
You wrote a blog post about this, didn't you?
I did.
We got to find that just so we show it on the camera while we're here. Where is it? There it is. Matthew Perry merch store. Oh, for COVID sponsored release. That's
yes.
cool. Oh,
he is donating all of the proceeds to the World Health Organization's COVID response relief.
See, Amber, you should have told me I was not on the right thing when I was going to this, but that's cool. That's awesome. For COVID response fund.
Yeah.
Yeah, I haven't read this yet, but I saw it. That's fantastic.
Yeah, he's got mugs and hats and shirts.
I want to try to play this, but the sound has not been working, so we can hear it here. I don't want to play a whole minute of video, but that's pretty cool. But I don't even know if it came through. I was having a problem trying to get the sound to come through a minute ago, so...
Here's hoping.
Tech drive me crazy. Anyway, well, that's cool. That's awesome. Yeah, I like it when they do whatever charity stuff. It's because people will buy that stuff.
Yeah.
You a Friends fan?
Oh, I love Friends. I have all 10 seasons.
You own them?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
That's one thing I never got into, owning DVDs and stuff like that. It's just, it seems silly. When you watch it, you just go watch it. And once you watch it once, do you need to watch it again? I don't know.
Oh, no. I've watched it several times.
Have you really?
Yeah. Friends, for me, has always been a pick-me-up. So, like, if I'm just in a funk or something, I'll just go grab my favorite season, throw in my favorite episode, and, grab some ice cream, and I'm in a better mood.
Yeah, we've got, on our TiVo, our office has been recording forever. So we've got, 60 or 80. Oh, and we got tons of Perry Mason, old black and white 50s Perry Mason. We've probably got 100 of those. But that show went on forever. Back in the 50s, this is a big segment. This is a big, what do you call it? When you go off on a tangent. That's what I meant. Now a season of TV is about 13. And sometimes they're shorter. Sometimes they're 8 episodes. Perry Mason, like the first season was 25 episodes. And the second, it's like they did them like, they didn't even take a break. It's like 25. And, let's do another 25. Let's do another 25. There were like so many of them. It's hard to see the same one twice. And then once you see one that you've seen before, you don't remember it. So I get it. Yeah. Watch it over and over. Okay, cool.
I love Perry Mason.
All right, cool. The next thing I want to talk about is Employee Appreciation Day. I don't have anything to add to it except it's March 5th, and there's plenty of time to get some stuff together for your employees, whether you take them to I don't know if you're seeing them or not, but you can take them to lunch, you can have a happy hour, you can just send them something. Be nice. People are working hard, and we're all doing the best we can, so give them a break.
Yep.
And by the way, thanks for everything in advance.
Well, you're very welcome.
Yeah. I did find a couple of things. Like I found one article where it's talking about Employee Appreciation Day, and I didn't put it up because it's stupid. They said, have an in-office happy hour. Well, nobody's in the office. It's like they took last year's post, they put 2021 on it without thinking of what the actual thing said.
Yeah.
I said, come on, man. You can't take your office to lunch for Employee Appreciation Day. The whole country's shut down. Well, most of it is, so... But think outside the box. Think of something. Send them a box. Call us. We'll send them a box. Go to our site, bigpromo.link/shop. I think that's it. Anyway.
And if you can't come up with any ideas, let us know, and we can help you do that too.
Thank you so much for adding that. That's fantastic. Go ahead.
All right.
You doing KFC now?
No.
Oh, crap. Go ahead.
Told you I'm doing that last.
I thought this was last anyway.
There is a company called Hippy Feet. They're based in Minneapolis.
Yeah.
And they are a sock producing company.
Oh, I remember this now.
Now, one of the things that they do is, I don't know if you know this or not, but socks are the least donated item for the homeless.
Mm-hmm. There's a company called Bombas. That's their tagline, or that's their radio ad.
Okay. So Hippy Feet will donate a pair of socks to the homeless for every pair that's been purchased.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Something else that they do, though, is they have a employee program. So they will actually hire homeless people to give them kind of a segue. So that way they're making a little bit of money until they find a full-time job.
Well, that's cool.
Yeah, they link up with homeless shelters in their area, and they offer people jobs. They've done this. They just started doing this, and they've helped 130 people.
That's awesome. I don't think Bombas does that, but that's cool. That's a really cool thing.
Yeah.
There's a restaurant here in town called Momentum, I think, that hires a bunch of. Well, I think they hire people that have had trouble with the law and stuff like that. But it's an awesome thing because it gets people working, teaches them how to do stuff. So that's fantastic. Well, good for them. Hippie Feet. Shout out.
Yes.
Oh, speaking of shout outs. Well, no, never mind. I don't have a shout out. My next one segues off of KSE. So I'm going to bow out of the, I did bring 3. Sorry, Amber.
That's fine.
But you ready to go?
Yeah.
All right, cool. I'm excited about this one.
All right. KFC is at it again.
I love it. It's awesome.
With the KFConsole.
Fantastic.
This is a PC gaming console that you can heat up your chicken inside it.
Look how cool that is. It's it looks like a regular smoker or whatever, a grill. and you open it up and you put chicken in it. But if you look down below, there's PC stuff under there. Fans, I mean, whatever. It's got to get hot.
Yeah, and PCs get hot. And
they don't get hot enough to keep chicken warm.
Well,
it's got to have more stuff in it.
Oh, yeah, definitely. But PCs get really hot sometimes.
Yeah, true.
And so the energy and the heat that oftentimes will build up gets expelled and is part of the heating process for the chicken.
That's pretty cool. Oh, so it is. They don't use anything extra, or did you investigate?
I don't know if they use anything extra or not. I'm sure they do.
Because I always say you can fry an egg on the sidewalk, but you can't really.
Yeah,
it's only 110 degrees. It's probably not going to happen. But anyway, that's kind of cool. I love appliances like that. Anything to add to that?
So it is still very difficult to figure out how to purchase it or price.
Yeah.
The speculated price is about $2,000.
Holy crap!
For one of these.
Here's another. How are you going to eat chicken while you're playing you're going to get your fingers all greasy with your. And so how are you going to pick up your game console and play Call of Duty or whatever?
You obviously know nothing about gamers.
Do they wear gloves?
No.
Or they don't care?
They don't care.
Oh. Maybe I don't know anything about gamers.
They'll sit there eating Cheetos while playing their game. And,
orange fingertips? That's
awful.
Horrible. Nice.
It is awful.
Yummy. That sounds good in your... I want to kill that guy. Oh, hang on. Let me get another thigh. That's pretty funny.
But, KFC keeps coming up with some weird stuff. But we keep talking about them.
We do. And I like KFC. I mean, I actually like going to KFC, so I haven't been in a while, but anyway, that's just me. Well, is there anything else to add?
No.
In the appliance marketing division, I'm going to switch to, I need to go to this, close this window. Tropicana came up with little mini refrigerators that you can sneak into the bathroom or that look like a toolbox. So you can, busy parents need a break. So they have this place to keep, like here's the bathroom cabinet and it's got a little fridge in the bottom part. And there's the tool shed cabinet. There's the closet cabinet. I don't know. I thought it was a really cool idea.
That is awesome.
You'd think so, right? I love it. It's fantastic. And you know what? If you don't drink, let it go. But now they had to issue an apology because people got butthurt because, they're advocating drinking. Really?
What?
I know. It's crazy. So they had to issue this big, long apology and stressed out. The ad wanted stressed out parents to stash the OJ and champagne in the fridges so they can enjoy cocktails while they're dealing with the stress of life. Perfect.
Yeah.
Bottle of booze in your drawer, whatever. Same kind of thing. We could talk about everything Tropicana did wrong. What did they do wrong? Nothing. They're hustling their product. They're promoting... people need to get over themselves. That's all. That's not even PC. That a PC issue. That's a vocal minority that says, "Oh, you're triggering me because I'm a drunk, or I'm an alcoholic, or I'm whatever." Come on, man. I don't know.
Like, okay, as a mom who has not had a drink in 91 days,
on purpose,
yes,
or just because you're out.
No, no. I purposely decided to stop drinking.
Cool.
And as a mom who has dealt with the stresses of parenthood, I'm not upset by people saying, "Oh, parents deserve a drink," because you know what? Parents do deserve a drink.
Well, you know what else? I mean, there's nobody says anything when the office promotes a happy hour or the office,
Yep.
I don't know. It's just deal with it. Golly. I just do not know. I don't know where people get off. Who are you to tell me? I own a business. And if I want to promote something it's not illegal, it's not even taboo. It's not even, I mean, it's not even frowned upon. Having mimosas, people do that every day.
Yep.
I don't know. I just, you want some, don't buy Tropicana if you don't like it. but don't criticize them and don't make them run them off.
Yeah.
And, poo-poo on Tropicana for sucking it up. They should have just said, whatever. That's what I would have done. I would have just said, y'all get a life. There's bigger things in the world to worry about than Tropicana trying to sell mimosas and give away mini fridges.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I agree.
I mean, nobody can, like the thing we did with the Velveeta couch last week with Velveeta little bowls stuck into it. Well, Velveeta's not healthy. And people sitting around putting on pounds, sitting on a couch watching football. Nobody complained about that.
People sitting around playing video games, eating fried chicken.
No kidding. I mean, fried chicken. I mean, gosh, you want everybody to eat Sprouts and I don't know. You're right. We're taking it too long. But anyway, that's all. That's my soapbox for that one. And I might do a video about that. I don't know. It chapped me. But I love the mini fridges that say, I would love to get a mini fridge that looks like a toolbox.
I would love to get one that looks like a little cabinet thing.
Yeah.
That way I can go hide in my bathroom.
See, and you don't even have to keep booze in it. You can keep sodas. You can keep whatever, water,
Snacks.
Cheese. Yeah, snacks.
Snacks.
Grapes. Grapes in the bathtub. That would be awesome.
Grapes in the bathtub. No,
You can get a cabana boy to come feed you grapes. In your bubble bath.
I will sneak chocolate cupcakes out of the kitchen and go hide in my room to eat these away from the kids.
You kill me. That's funny. What's your cupcake of choice?
Ding dongs.
Oh, ding dongs are great.
Yes.
You freeze them?
No.
Toss a couple in the freezer. You'll thank me. It's
Okay.
a fun thing to have. Even on a cold day, a frozen ding dong's pretty fun. And you can hide them back there because the kids are too short to see the freezer.
Oh, our freezer's down below.
Oh, well, hide them somewhere.
But
You
the
can put
kids
'em
never
somewhere.
get into the freezer, so.
You could mix them with something. You could put something in there.
Yeah.
If they wouldn't notice. Anyway, frozen ding dongs. Anyway, that's all I got for that. I'm so sad we don't have anybody on here. And I don't know. Maybe we should switch. Maybe we shouldn't to a Wednesday. I don't know. We could talk about it or not if you want. What do you think?
I mean, I think we would potentially be bringing in more viewers.
What day do you think is better? Or what day is better for you? I guess that's what I meant.
Thursdays.
Thursday mornings?
If we do Thursday mornings, yeah.
Okay. And we can we try to do the remote thing from your house so you don't have to come in?
We could do that, or I could come in. I mean, it's really, really not a problem for me to come in. I enjoy coming in.
Okay. So you just have to come here and then do it and then go get your kids or bring your kid with you?
I'll bring one with me and then
All right.
go get the other one.
The quiet one?
Yes, the quiet one.
Cool. Is Thursday a regular day for him to be off?
For him to be off? No.
Oh, he works Thursday?
No, Thursday nights sometimes.
Oh, but
Sometimes
he'd be around
Wednesday
to watch
nights.
Nate while you're doing that. Okay, awesome. Well, maybe we'll do another one next Thursday. So stay tuned. That's all I have for this episode. How about you?
That's all I got.
Oh, by the way, I'm going to do weekly, I don't know what to call them, Tuesday tips at 2, but every Tuesday at 2 o'clock, I'm putting up a new video about marketing, I'm going to try to keep it positive, but I don't know. I'm going to try not to do rants like that Tropicana thing I just did, but the first one I did went up last Tuesday. It's 5 ways to market your business in 2021. So check that out, the channel, and I'll put a link in the show notes for that as well. Got any shout outs?
Monster energy drinks.
What the hell? Monster energy drinks?
Oh, I'm super excited that they exist because I'm running off of like 3, maybe 4 hours of sleep right now.
Why? Why were you up?
I went out last night.
Oh, where'd you find to go out?
There was actually a place doing karaoke with the socially distance and the...
Out there where you live or somewhere else?
No, it's here in Dallas.
Wow.
Yeah.
You want to give them a shout out or not?
Yeah, shout out to Liquid Zoo.
Oh, man. I've heard of that place. Is that Deep Ellum?
No.
Where is Liquid Zoo? I can't even
It's
think.
off of Maple and Knight.
Oh, fantastic. Okay.
Yes.
It was fun, huh?
Yeah. We used to go there all the time. Like, that is our home bar.
Liquid Zoo is?
Yeah.
I've never heard you mention it. That's funny. Liquid Zoo.
But yeah, we went out last night. And then when we got home, I wasn't super tired and I woke up a couple times.
Wait, you went to Liquid Zoo and you didn't drink or anything?
Sure did not.
Wow.
It was very difficult.
You were the DD. Well, good for you.
Yeah.
That's fun. It was difficult?
Yeah.
I figure after 90 days, it shouldn't be that hard. Really?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, we haven't even talked about New Year's resolutions. I'm going to keep this going for a few minutes. Do you got any resolutions? First of all, let's talk about last year's resolutions. You were going to do self-care, I think.
Yes. Last year was my self-care year.
How'd that work out?
It worked out very well.
Cool.
I was able to prioritize a little more.
Yeah.
And put myself a little more forefront in, taking breaks and stuff like that.
So what are you going to do this year?
This year is going to be my creativity year.
Cool.
Much.
Awesome.
Get my book out, hopefully, or at least finished.
Yeah.
And then get better at crocheting stuff.
Yep.
I want to be able to crochet stuff for friends that I can send to them.
Awesome.
I actually got a book the other day that's a bunch of crochet patterns that they're for things like you can crochet shoes and necklaces and stuff.
Cool.
So, yeah.
Awesome. You got to make yourself a cozy for your computer or something like that.
Yeah.
Like a little, like a laptop sleeve or something. I don't know.
That'd be pretty
clever.
cool.
Maybe.
Actually, I think there is one in that.
Probably.
There's at least a tablet one, but I mean, all I'd have to do is make it bigger.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Basically, you're making a sack, so it doesn't really matter.
Yeah.
That's awesome. This past year, on December 31st, I weighed 375 pounds. And today I weigh 265. So
awesome.
That's pretty awesome. So, and I'm going to try to keep that going. Except I was just thinking we should ditch here and go to KFC and grab a bite. See if we can score a computer, $2,000 chicken warmer. But anyway, so yeah, I'm just going to keep that going and see what happens.
Sweet.
But I'm going to keep drinking. I mean, as long as, I haven't drank a lot since I started that diet. They say drink is taboo. Every once in a while I'll have a bourbon or something. And New Year's Eve, I think this year I had some Miller High Life ponies, but only 2. I don't drink that much.
Yeah.
This COVID stuff, if you're not going out, I haven't been out in forever, so I kind of got out of the habit of it. I used to go out all the time. It's kind of sad, too, because I miss all the improv stuff, all the comedy stuff, but it is what it is, I guess. Okay, minute 28. I'm sorry, 28 minutes, so I guess we're done with this one. You have anything to add?
No, that's all I got.
This is fun. I love our little talks.
Yes.
I have to hit command 6. Yeah, I got this $200 Stream Deck. I don't even use it. Oh, I hit the button here. All right. Bye, everybody. We'll see you Thursday. Maybe. Probably Thursday. Take it easy. Oh, see? And it doesn't even go. Oh, I'm hitting the wrong button. Okay. Bye, everybody. Now I'm going to end it.